Hi guys, my name is Unathi. Today I will demonstrate to you how to clean the camera body. The thing for me to clean my camera body is to keep my camera live longer. So for me to clean my camera body, I need brush to take the dust off. So I'm gonna dust camera off, done. I'm gonna put it aside. I'm gonna use a material called a multi-surface cleaner. But when I apply the multi-surface cleaner, I'm not gonna spray it directly on the camera. I've got my plate next to me. I spray it directly on the plate. I've got a little brush for me that I'm going to use it, wipe the camera. So I'm applying the multi-surface cleaner on the camera body. Take off pressure. I'm gonna be using the nice lab that is called Shaming, the yellow one, as you can see, just to take off moisture on my camera body. As you can see, it looks nice and easy to clean, but it just needs a little bit of application. Thank you very much. That was Unathi.